Melody, sir. Look at
Uh-huh.
Melody, sir. Melody looks very beautiful right now, sir. I can see her from her Facebook, sir. She is singing. What I think she's one of the choir or she's one of the
Mm.
soloists. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Because
So this is
according to
who
her,
is this one, Mom, you're talking about? Melody?
Melody. Yes, sir.
Oh, she's singing.
Yes, sir. She's singing. She's always in a competition, sir. In a singing competition. I saw
Yeah, yeah,
her
yeah.
video. Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Let them have fun with, with the career choice,
Yes.
career
Yes,
choice.
sir.
Okay. Now the only one is Aaron.
Aaron.
Aaron,
Aaron. Hello, Aaron.
maybe Aaron is, you know, he clicked in, but then he left, uh, doing some game, TikTok.
Ow.
You see that? When you
Aaron,
call them, they did not listen. This is what happened. Because they say, Mom, I open it. Okay. And then they go to TikTok and Mom believe, but they learn nothing actually, right? Okay, Sanesha. All right. Sanesha. Okay, let's ask Sanesha a question. Okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
are sixth grade right now, all right? Sanesha, what grade are you?
What grade are you now, Shanessa? Are you in fifth grade or sixth grade?
Five grade.
Fifth grade, sir.
The
She's in
grade.
fifth grade. Yes,
Where
sir.
are you? What school? What is the name of your school?
Pamardi.
Mm-hmm.
Marty.
Mm-hmm.
Where is that, sir?
Yeah, you need to keep asking her, where is that?
What part of Indonesia is Samarti located?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Where do you
because
live,
some of
by
the,
the way?
yeah, yeah, good, Mom. This is when you ask them, they practice the English, okay? So that,
Yes, sir.
student did not realize that. They need to keep talking to practice the English, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we see Aaron. Okay. So Mom, it pass it back to you. Thank you, Mom.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Happy trip, sir. Okay, so everyone, before we will start with our discussion, we will talk about some basic lessons regarding math, okay? So I still remember what Sir Harry told me that we should start with prime numbers. Who knows prime numbers? What are the examples of prime numbers, by the way? Who can tell me about prime numbers? Inda, I know that you know about prime numbers. You are with me before. Same with Honey. Honey and Inda, they are all actually with me when we had the
Yeah,
lesson regarding prime
yeah,
numbers. What
yeah. Mhm.
number or what prime number can you give me? Honey, can you give me an example of a prime number? Or Inda? So I can only ask the two of you because you are with me last time. I cannot ask Noel because he's not here. Same with Alfonso. Aaron, maybe Aaron has an idea what prime number is, or he can also give me an example of a prime number. Anyone? Audrey, would you like to give me an example of a prime number, Audrey? Maybe you know what is a prime number. Anyone? Hello, Inda. What is a prime number, Inda?
I think it's the real number, like one, two, three. Yeah.
One, two, three. It's actually a real number, yes, but it's a number wherein we studied it before, and then I still remember that apart aside from prime number, we also have this composite number. Remember the prime number and the composite number, and then we were able to give so many examples regarding prime numbers. If you will be able to give 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What do you think among the 5 numbers that I gave you? What do you within the 5 numbers that I gave you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the prime numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
I think 2, 3, 5.
2, 3, 5. Very good. Why do you think it is a prime number in that? Why do you think it is a prime number? So, Honey, can you help in that? Honey was Inda was able to remember the prime numbers, but she is still trying to remember how it becomes prime number. Can you help in that regarding the prime numbers between 2, 3, and 5? Why is it has become a prime number? Aside from multiplying 3 from 1, what other number can you be able to multiply by 3 in order to get a product of 3? You think there we will still have another number that we can you think if I am going to multiply 2 by 1, aside from 1, can I still be able to multiply any number aside from 1 to get a product of 2? What do you think? Or if I am going to have the product of 5, aside from multiplying 5 by 1, can I still have any other number aside from 5 and 1 in order for us to get a product of 5? What do you think? What do you think? You can actually get the idea when I am actually giving you some examples. You can just simply look at the idea from my examples. What other number can we be able to multiply from 2, 3, and 5 to get their product? And I be able
25.
okay, how about this one, Honey? If I am going to multiply if I wanted to have a product of 2, what other multipliers can I be able to have in order for me to have a product of 2? Can you be able to multiply by 2 by what? What number can you multiply to 2 to get the product of 2? Can you get it now in that? You can actually see the answer already. What other number can I be able to multiply to 3 in order for me to be able to get a product of 3? Is there any other number that I will have to multiply to get the product of 3? What do you think? Okay, so I think they are just confused, but I know that they are slowly getting to remember the lesson, right? So when we talk about a prime number are numbers wherein you can only multiply the said number by itself, the number by 1, multiply the number by 1. You can only multiply the number by 1 only one time. You can only use that one time. There will be no other way wherein we are going to multiply any other number to get the product wherein it involves a prime number. Okay, how about this one in that? What other multipliers can you have when you are going to get the product of 4? What other multipliers are you going to have in order for us to be able to get a product of 4? So that will become a composite number. That will become a composite number. So you should be able to write it down on your notebooks. So Inda was able to identify the prime numbers 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5. Among the 5 numbers that I gave you earlier, 2, 3, and 5 are the prime numbers. So in order for a real number to become a prime number is actually a number wherein it is only multiplied by 1. It is a number multiplied by 1 to get the product of the said number. Okay? There will be no other number that we can multiply to the said number, or there will be no other number that we can multiply to get the said number. So how about 4? What other multipliers can we be able to have in order for us to get the product of 4? Anyone? What other multipliers can we be able to get the product of 4? 4 times 1. Can we have a product of 4 when we have a multiplier of 4 and 1? 4 times 1. Can we have a product of 4 when we multiply 4 and 1? What do you think? 4 times 1 is what? Anyone? 4 times 1 is?
4.
4. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay. Is there any other number that we can use to multiply in order for us to get a product of 4? How about 2 times 2? Can you
It's
be
4.
able to get a product of 4?
Yes.
Good job, Ina. Now I think they start getting the idea, Mom.
Yes, sir. 4 is not a prime number, right? Because if you look at 4, there will be other multipliers in order for us to be able to arrive to the product of 4. So that means that 4 is not a prime number, but rather it is called composite number. It is called a composite number. Slowly get the idea. Okay, how about 6? How about 6? What do you think is 6? Is 6 a prime number or a composite number?
Composite number.
What do you think about 6? Composite number. What other multipliers can you get in order for you to get the product of 6? Can you tell the class so that they will also have
1 times 6 and 3 times 2.
number, because 6 can have several multipliers, right? It will not only limit us to the said number and being multiplied to 1, but rather it will have another multiplier where able to get or to arrive to the said number. How about 7? How about 7? What do you think is 7? Is 7 a prime number or a composite number? Is 7
Prime
a
number.
Very good. Why is it a prime number? Honey. I think it's Honey. Why is it a prime number, Honey? Why is it a prime number? What other what multipliers can you?
I think because can
One, right?
divide by can divide by 2, I think.
Okay, so we can only multiply 7 times 1. There will be no other number that we can use to be able to get a product of 7 aside from 7 and 1. Right? Oh, very good, Honey. So, Honey told is 8. Is 8 a prime number or a composite number?
Composite number.
Very good. So can you be able to tell the class in what other multipliers can we be able to use in order for us to arrive to the product of 8?
1 times 8 and 4
Okay.
times
2 times 4 or 4 times 2, right? So if you look at it, there will have several other multipliers aside from 8 and 1 in order for us to arrive to the product of 8. Are you slowly getting the idea? Another student, because it is only Inda who kept on answering. How about Shitya? How about Shitya? What do you think, Shitya? Is 9 a prime number or a composite number, Shitya?
A composite number.
Composite number. Can you tell the class what are the numbers that we need to multiply in order for us to be able to arrive to 9?
3 times 3.
Okay, very good. 3 times 3 and 9 times 1 or 1 times 9. Very good. So Shitya is starting to get the idea. Okay, how about 10? 10, Shanessa. Shanessa, what do you think about 10? Is 10 a number or a composite number? Is prime a composite number or a prime number? 10. What do you think? Is 10 a prime number or a composite number? Prime number or composite number? Claudie, can you be able to help Shanessa? What is 10? Is 10 a prime number or a composite number? Claudie.
Prime number.
Come again, Claudie? Is 10
Prime
a prime
number.
number or a composite of prime number? Is it prime number?
Yes.
Okay. Inda, can you tell Claudie, or can you tell the class if Claudie's answer is a prime number or a composite number? I mean, if Claudie's answer is correct, she said that 10 is actually a prime number. Is it correct in that 10 is actually a prime number?
It's wrong, Miss.
It's wrong. Why? Okay, listen carefully, Claudie. Listen carefully. Why is it wrong in that? What is 10?
Because the 10 is the composite number. The 10 can multiply by 2 more times. It can multiply 1 times 10 and 2 times 5.
Okay, very good. So Claudie, have you heard in that? So 10 is actually not a prime number, but rather it is a composite number, because 10 can have a multiplier of not just itself and 1, but it will also have any other number with which when we multiply the two numbers, it will arrive to the product of 10. Okay? Thank you very much, Inda. How about 11? How about 11? What do you think about 11? Is 11 a prime number or a composite number? Okay, before you answer, you should be able to analyze or to think about what other numbers are you going to multiply to the said number in order for you to be able to arrive to the product of the said number. How about 11? Aaron. Oh, it's Felicia is here. Felicia, can you tell the class about 11? What is 11? Is 11 a prime number or a composite number?
It's a prime number.
Hi, Felicia.
Hi.
Okay, Felicia, can I ask you something? Is 11 a prime number or a composite number? What do you think?
11 is prime number.
This is good, Philly.
It's a prime number. Why is it 11 is a prime number? Where is Felicia? Oh my God, my
Because
connection.
11 can just multiply by 1
By
times
1
11.
and itself. Very
That's
good,
good.
Felicia. Oh, look at
Very good.
Felicia. Felicia just recently joined the class, and yet she was able to answer my question. Okay, so listen carefully. How about 12? How about 12? Is 12 a prime number or a composite number? Is 12 a prime number or a composite number? 12.
Well,
Composite number.
composite number.
Composite. What numbers can you be able to what other numbers can you be able to multiply in order for us to arrive to the product of 10? 12, I mean 12.
1 times 12, 4
and
times 2,
Times 12.
6 times
Very
2.
good.
Good.
Very good. So Inda is actually getting the idea. Wow, Inda, you slowly remember our lesson, right? You slowly remember our lesson. So you should be able to write from your notebook so that you will be able to review. Okay, when you will be able to remember when we are going to review the previous lessons, right? Okay,
Yeah, I think everyone have to take a note.
get the habit
Okay.
of writing. Yes, sir. Everyone should be able to take notes. If you do not have notes with you, you can actually screenshot. if you will be able to have the screenshot, then you can go back and review. Okay? But then again,
And
we
also
don't have
Aaron.
the...
Yeah, we need to
Yes,
call Aaron. Aaron, Audrey. Okay.
and
Vanessa.
yes, sir.
Okay, guys,
I
this is
think
very important. If you miss this understanding the prime and composite number, you cannot move on. Okay? You cannot move on. Therefore, it is very important every day, okay, new concept was introduced, you really need to grasp it. I know that some of them, I think Claudine need to start, still learning. And Farrell, you can ask Farrell. I'm not sure that Farrell grabs it. Okay.
yes, sir.
And the other
Farrell
one
is
is
actually...
Vanessa.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
go ahead, Bob.
Farrell is actually Felicia's sibling. Farrell and Felicia are both siblings. I think Felicia will be able to help Farrell.
Yeah, you can ask them. Okay, put it
Yes,
in
sir.
the, all right. Maybe some of them is shy or the English they don't understand. Mom, make a small exercise, put it on the chat board. Okay. You can put like, is 15, okay, a prime or composite number? Okay. So everybody can write on the chat board. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, so as per advice, I am going to write something from the chat box. Okay, I will have to write something from the chat box. Prepare your notes or your papers and your pencil with you, and then we will have to answer the worksheet,
Yeah,
or we
on the
will have
chat
to
board.
answer the exercises that I am going to... Yes, sir. That I am
Mhm.
going to write on the chat box. Okay. Yeah.
Mhm. So everybody need to answer. So this way we know whether or not they understood. And we are
Yes,
not
sir.
going to rush anything. We want them to build this foundation. This is very important. And Mark did not come, and tomorrow he will say next week, I'm confused.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
I will
Wow.
start with numbers from 13 to 20, okay?
Okay.
Then we will slowly
Yeah, Cynthia, you can
introduce.
go. Cynthia, go
Yes,
to
sir.
restroom.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
I
You already
sent her.
answer. Okay. Mm.
Okay,
Now,
look at the chat box.
okay.
So we will start with the small number, okay? Then, but it will be a 10 items exercise. Okay, look at the chat box. So we will answer that one. What your answer will only be a prime number or a composite number. Write P for prime number, write C for composite number. Okay? Then I will call one by one to give me their answers. You need to be prepared so that you will be able to explain why you give me the said answer, okay? So we will stop with number 22. I mean with 22. Okay, so 1 is 13, 2 is 14, 3 is 15, 4 is 16. So it's a very, very easy quiz exercises because we will start with 13 up to 22. So 13 to up to 22 is a very small number. It is actually a small number. So 13, who would like to give me an answer? Is 13 a prime number or a composite number? Is 13 a prime number or a composite number? Okay, I will have to call. Okay, I will have to call. I will start with Aaron. Aaron, what is 13? Is 13 a prime number or a composite number, Aaron?
Composite.
Composite. Okay, why is it composite, Aaron?
Hmm.
Why do you think it is composite? Where is it?
Yeah, this is good, mom.
Yes.
Yeah, this is good. Now you can check, mom.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Just give
because
us your
Aaron is on
idea.
and off. Okay, on
Yes.
and off her cam, his cam. He must be doing something else, Aaron. And now he missed it. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Go ahead, mom.
Okay, maybe I will have to call Farrell. I will have to call Farrell, sir. Farrell.
Yes.
Hi, Farrell. Can you be able to help? Can you be able to help Aaron? What do you think is 13? Is 13 a prime number or a composite number? Do you think Aaron's answer, which is a composite number, is correct?
Yeah.
What do you think? Is 13 a composite number?
Prime. Aaron is wrong answer. The answer is prime.
What is 13? If Aaron
Okay.
is wrong, what is 13?
Maybe he got help from his mama.
He's very
Okay.
shy actually,
Yeah.
but he's actually trying to participate. Okay, so according to Farrell, Aaron is wrong because 13 is not composite. It is not a composite number, but it is rather a prime number. So it is correct that 13 is actually a prime number. Why? 13 is actually a prime number because if you are going to get the product of 13, you can only have a multiplier of 1 and itself. Okay? You can only have a multiplier of 1 and itself. You cannot have any other number aside from 1 and 13. That is why it will be called as prime number. Okay, very well. How about number 2? How about number 2? What is number 2? Is number 2, which is actually 14, a prime number or a composite number? Is it a prime number? Is 14 a prime number or a composite number?
Composite.
Composite. Why is it composite, Farrell? Can you be able to tell the class why it has become composite? Why is it composite, Farrell? Why is 14 composite? Okay, so Farrell's mic is turned off, but it is correct that 14 is actually a composite number. Who can help Farrell regarding the reason why 14 is actually a composite number? Audrey. Audrey. Hi, Audrey. Hello, Audrey. Okay, so Audrey's camera is off, so I will try to call Honey. Honey, why is it 14 is a composite number? It is true that 14 is a composite number. So can you be able to tell the class why 14 is a composite number? Can you give an example? What other multipliers can we use to get 14?
Is 14
Yes. So the first is 14 times 1, right?
14,
times-
yes.
Then what
14 divided by 2.
by 1? And then what else?
14 can divide by 2.
Okay. 14 can be divided by 2. So 7 times 2 or 2 times 7. Very good, honey. So that is why 14 is a composite number because aside from 7 and 1, aside from 14 and 1, we can also use 7 and 2 in order for us to get a product of 14. Okay? I hope you are listening. Okay? I hope you are listening. Thank you very much. Very good. Okay. Number 3, 15. Who would like to volunteer? 15. What is 15? Is 15 a prime number or a composite number? You can volunteer if you'd like. What is 15? Is 15 a prime number or a composite number?
You can ask
Who would
Claudie.
like to? Okay, where is Claudie? Okay, Claudie. I cannot see Claudie. Okay, here. Claudie, what is 15? Is 15 a prime number or a composite number?
It is a composite number.
Very good. It is a composite number. Why? Can you give us an example so that we will be able to understand why it has become composite?
I don't know.
Yeah, so try to give us an example. The first example that I can give you is 15 times 1 or 1 times 15. Do you think there will still be any other numbers aside from 15 and 1 that we can use to get the product of 15? Any other numbers that we can use to get the product of 15?
Come on, Claudie, you
I
can do
think
it.
my connection is
Jadi
also
15 bisa dibagi dengan angka berapa lagi? 15 bagi 1. Okay, I try to help this here. 15 bagi 1. Kemudian 15 bagi berapa lagi? Bisa
2.
dapat angka.
3.
3. Good. Okay, now, Mom, you see that? Now, she start getting it. So,
Yes, sir.
15 divided by 1, 15 divided by 3. That's what she said. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is there any
Very
other
good.
number? What about 15 divided by 5? Can that make 2?
Yes.
Yeah, you see that, Mom? So we just little by little, they need to get that. Okay, I think Felicia
Yes,
is
sir.
very good. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and some of these kids,
Felicia, sir.
okay, Inda is very good. Okay, Cynthia is
Yes,
very
sir.
good because they are 6th grade. But some of the other, like Aaron, okay. Now the most difficult one is Sanesha and Audrey. Close camp. This is hard. Okay, we do not know whether or not they understood or not. Okay, now you can, okay, what is the next one after 15? 16, Ma'am? 16?
16, sir. 16.
Okay, ask Sanesha and Audrey, write the answer on the chat box.
Okay. Shanessa and Audrey, can you be able to write your answer on the chat box? Simply write I mean C for composite or P for prime. You can only give me an answer of P or C. P for prime number or C for composite number. What is 16? Is 16 a prime number or a composite number? I think Felicia already has her answers, right, Felicia? So Audrey and Shanessa. Audrey said, Shanessa gave me C. Very good. It is composite. How about Audrey? How about Audrey? What do you think? Is Shanessa correct, Audrey? Is Shanessa correct? So Audrey and Shanessa both gave me C, which is composite. Okay, C is a correct answer because 16 is actually a composite number. Okay, this is the difficult part. Shanessa, give me an example of multipliers with which we will be able to arrive to the product of 16. Give me an example, write it on the chat box. Give me an example of 2 multipliers wherein if we multiply it, we will be able to arrive to 16. Same with Audrey. Same with Audrey. You can also write it on the chat box. Numbers with which we can be able to use and multiply it together to get the product of 16. Can you do that, Shanessa and Audrey? Can you be able to give us, because your classmates are actually looking and anticipating your answers because they also wanted to know if their answers are Correct, right? So write it down on your notebook. Give specific examples wherein you will be able to understand why it has become a composite number. Why it has become a composite number. By the way, 16 is actually a composite number. Okay, so Shanessa and Audi was able to answer and their answers are actually correct. Okay, who would like to help Shanessa and Audrey to at least give us an example? Just simply write it on the chat box. Give us an example of two multipliers wherein if we are going to multiply it, we will be able to arrive to 16. I will be looking at the chat box. You can write, any one of you can write on the chat box so that we will know who among you has the correct answer also. You can write it on the... Wow, Felicia was able to give us the different multipliers. 1 times 16, very good. 2 times 8, 4 times 4, and 8 times 2. Very good. Same with Honey. Honey was able to give only one multiplier. Okay. Yes, 1 times 16. Inda also, 1 times 16, 4 times 4, and 2 times 8. Wow. So that means that 5 people or 5 students actually was able to understand the lesson, but we will still have to, okay, take note, we will still have to answer the remaining numbers. Okay, we will still have to answer the remaining numbers. But by the way, very good guys, you were able to give us the correct multipliers, and I can see that you understood you are slowly getting the idea regarding our lesson for today. It can be very easy. Take note, it can be very easy. So simply listen, write down on your notebook, okay? So that you will not forget what was the lesson that we were able to have. Okay. How about number 5? How about number 5? Is 17 a prime number, or a composite number? Is 17 a prime number or a composite number? Write it down on the chat box. So, write it down on the chat box. Is 17 a prime number? Inda answered prime number. Felicia answered prime number. How about the others? Do you think Felicia and Inda got the correct answer? Honey also gave me prime number. Shitya also gave me prime number. How about the rest of the students? Do you think Honey, Inda, Felicia, and Shitya are all correct, that they were able to say that 17 is a prime number? Wow, almost them gave me prime numbers. By the way, it is actually correct. So 17 is actually a prime number because we only have two numbers wherein we can use to multiply so that we will be able to arrive to have a product of 17, and those are 1 and 17. 1 and the number itself. Very good. How about 18? How about 18? How about 18? Is 18 a prime number or a composite number? Wow. Inda already has her answer. Inda, Felicia, Aaron, Shitya. Who else? So, Honey, oh, 5 students already. So, they are actually getting the idea. Claudie, composite. Okay, so this will be the difficult part. It's not actually difficult if you know the idea, right? Who can give me, write it down on the chat box, who can give me the different multipliers or the different numbers wherein if you are going to multiply it together, you will be able to arrive to 18. So write it down on the chat box. 1 times 18, okay? 1 times 18, 6 times 3, and 9 times 2. Very Aaron, Felicia. Okay? Inda, Aaron, and Felicia was able to give us some examples to justify
Yeah,
that 18
that is
is
good, Mom.
actually
Need to keep checking on Aaron. Did he get it? And I think the newcomer. There is a
about
newcomer.
19.
You see that the newcomer,
Yes, sir.
Ruli. Okay, let him open the cam. The newcomer, and you need to nail him down. The newcomer.
Sir, sorry. The, the
His name
connection
is
right now
Arul.
is not
Arul, open
yes,
cam,
sir.
Arul.
Let's see. Wait. Arul.
Yeah.
Okay, hello, Arul.
Okay.
Hello, Miss.
Arul udah telat ya. Okay. So, Felicia, now we ask the student to explain to the newcomer what it means that, prime and composite, Mom. You can assign one of these, either Inda, Sitya, or Felicia. Now, this kid, they know
Yes, sir.
already. They can explain it to
Yes, sir.
yes. So this is fun. So make it activity. Keep them engaged.
Yes, sir. Yes. Actually, I am trying to do that one, sir, every now and then. But then again, some can,
Hmm.
especially those who are with
Yeah.
me last time, they can understand. But some
Okay.
students, they are still confused. Okay.
Good.
Yes, sir. 18. We are done with 18. Okay. By the way, I would like to ask someone who can be able to tell the class regarding the idea of a, uh, having a prime number and a composite number, because some students, okay, especially the newcomers, I think they do not know yet, or they might have forgot what is prime number or composite number is. Who can volunteer and tell the class about the idea regarding prime number and composite number? You can actually try to speak in English, or better yet, I will let you, for now, I will let you tell them in your own language, such as Indonesian. Who can relate to the class regarding the idea about prime number and composite number?
Prime
Shitya.
numbers are numbers that can only be divided by one and the number itself.
Okay, very good. Very good, Shitya. Okay, Arol, listen carefully. So according to Shitya, a prime number is a number. What is it again, Shitya?
Are numbers that can only be divided by one and the numbers itself.
Okay, prime numbers are numbers with which it can only be divided by one and it. So those are what you call prime numbers. So if you can encounter numbers with which there will be no other multipliers, okay, there will be no other multipliers that you can use to be able to arrive to the said number aside from one and itself, then it must be a prime number.
Now
Very
back to
good.
Arul. Okay. Now back to Arul. Ask him. Give example of each.
Yes, okay.
And
So
also Aaron.
yes, sir. So Arul, so according to Shitya again, a prime number is a number wherein you can also only divide a number by one and itself, or you can also multiply a number by itself to be able to arrive to the said number, and that would be a prime number. Can you give the class an example of a prime number? Can you give the class an example of a prime number? Arul, can you
Arul.
understand? Inda, can you try to tell using your own words? I mean your language. Give us an example of a prime number.
On my language,
Yes, yes. On your own language. Maybe he still can.
oke. Jadi prime number itu bilangan yang bisa dibagi dengan bilangan itu sendiri atau dengan angka 1. Contohnya kayak 2, 3, 5. Don't miss.
Okay. So what he said. Okay, the example is 2, 3, and 5 is a prime number. That's what
Yes,
he
sir.
said. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, Arul. Maybe he's still not ready yet. Sorry, Arul, but you will have to at least be
But that's
able
okay,
to.
Mom. Yeah, that's
Yes,
okay. When Arul speak in Indonesian, you ask, okay, Felicia to translate it for you, or Cynthia. You see that? No. Ya, anak-anak, lihat di sini ya. Kalau kalian tidak ikut bahasa Inggris, jadi semuanya itu langsung semua akan menjadi kurang baik. Oke? Ya. Maaf ini Arul ya, bukan artinya menjelekkan Arul. Bukan. Kita pakai example ini. So, what I try to say, if they miss the English language, if they don't have the English language, it will make them difficult to follow other classes like mathematics. You see that, Mom? I told them. So, hopefully, Arul will start taking this very seriously to learn English. So, English is very important. If you do not know English, you are done. You cannot follow chemistry, biology, mathematics, okay, anatomy, and everything. Okay? Ya, Claudi, udah tahu kan ya? Jadi sangat penting.
Ya.
Ini ya, kasih tahu Mama. Jangan sampai telat ikut bahasa Inggris. Ya, Felicia. Kalau tidak tahu bahasa Inggris, forget it. So it is very important to know. But now, okay, we will encourage Arul. Okay? We will encourage him to speak, even though if he doesn't know English, okay, very well. All right. Let
Yes,
him
sir.
to talk in Indonesian and some other kid like Inda, Felicia, Cynthia can translate it for you, Mom. Okay. All right. That's it. Good. Pass it back to you, Mom. You can take 2 hours today if you want to. It is exciting.
Yes, sir. The only problem is the connection, sir.
Yeah.
I
You
also
see that?
got.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
sir.
need to make them engage. Okay, Mom. Okay, we don't need to move fast. Okay, we need to check each and every one of them whether or not they understood the concept. If they don't, we need to come back.
Yes.
Okay, now this is the
Yes, sir.
problem.
Yes.
Okay, some of them come to on and out, in and out, in and out. Okay, now if that is the kid that come today, next week they miss, we just forget about him. He is not serious. We keep moving. Like today, we don't see Tristan. Okay, Tristan's supposed to be here. You see that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, some of them have the church services, like
Yes,
Nicholas.
yes.
Okay, the small Nicholas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and also Noel,
Yes,
his
sir.
brother, and also Alfonso. They have church services. Okay,
Yes.
which is fine. They can catch up. Okay, ma'am. Back it to you, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so that's good. Inda, thank you very much. I'm really lucky to have Inda with me because Inda can actually help me in explaining things to some of her classmates. Okay, thank you very much again, Linda. Okay, so 19 is actually a prime number, right? How about 20? 20? Is 20 a prime number or a composite number? Is 20 a prime number or a composite number? Shitya said composite. Okay. Felicia said composite. Aaron said composite. Wow, Aaron. Very good, Aaron. He's slowly getting the idea in the... How about the others? How about the others? Claudie. Wow, Claudie, very good. Okay, so it is a composite number. Give me an example of multiplier of the multipliers of 20. Multipliers of 20. Wow, Felicia, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5, 5 times 4, 10 times 2. Very good. So there are so many numbers wherein we can use to be able to arrive to the product of 20. Very good. Okay, 21. Is 21 a prime number or a composite number? Is 21 a prime number or a composite number? According to Aaron, it is, according to Inda, it is a composite. Aaron, composite. Felicia, composite. Shitya, composite. Who else? Claudie. So I think only 5 students are actually participating. How about the others? Do you think you... Okay, Honey, very good. Felicia. How about Farrell? Shanessa? Okay, Aaron. Oh, okay. So Aaron actually, he can be able to go in face with us. So he also was able to get me the correct answer. Shanessa and Audrey. So Farrell also was able to get or to give me the correct answer. Okay, so again, give me the multipliers of 21. 1 times 21, 7 times 3, 3 times 7, and 21 times 1. Very good. 22. Is 22 a prime number or a composite number? Is 22 a prime number or a composite number? In the Felicia, Claudie, Aaron, Shitya. Okay. Very good. So, 22 is actually a composite number. Again, what are the multipliers? Bye, sir. Take care, sir. What are the multipliers of 22? 1 times 22 and 11 times 2. Very good. Okay, how about this one? I'm giving you something with which it is a little bit higher. It is a little bit a higher number, a little higher. 57. What about 57? Is 57 a prime number or a composite number? 57. 57. Is 57 a prime number or a composite number? Shitya, Felicia, okay. So Shitya answered composite. Felicia answered prime. Okay, what do you think? Who among Felicia and Shitya is correct? Is 57 a prime number or a composite number? Aaron answered prime. Okay. How about Inda? Inda, what do you think? Is 57 a prime number or a composite number? Honey, prime? Okay. Felicia, sorry. According to Felicia, it is not a prime number, but rather it is a composite number. Okay. It's okay, Felicia. No worries. Claudie and Farrell also, Claudie also changed her answer. She also answered composite and as well as Farrell. Okay, so the correct answer is actually composite. Can you give me the multipliers of 57? Can you give me the multipliers of 57? 3 times 19, 1 times 57, and 19 times 3. Very good. Wow. How about this one? How about this one? 91. 91. Is 91 a prime number or is 91 a composite number? Is 91 a prime number or is 91 a composite number? 91. 91. 91 is 91 a prime number or a composite number? Is prime number a composite is prime number? Is 91 a prime number or a composite number? What is 91? 91. Okay, so what are the multipliers of 91 if you are saying that it is actually a composite? So Inda was all able to give me 1 times 91 as well as 7 times 13. Very good. So 91 is actually a composite number. Wow. So you are slowly getting the lesson, right? You slowly understand our lesson. Is that correct? So if I am going to give you a quiz, will you be able to answer me? Give me a correct answer already? What do you think? So how about the last one? So we will finish with the prime and the composite, okay? Next time we will slowly go to the sign number. Okay, how about the next one? 91, 57, and then 117. 117. What do you think? 117. 117. Is 117 a prime number or a composite number? 117. Composite. Felicia, Claudie, Inda, and Aaron. Composite. Shitya. Composite. Okay. How about the others? Do you think Shitya, Felicia, Claudie, Inda, and Aaron are all correct? That 117, right? It's 117. I gave you 117 is a composite number. Audrey answered prime number. Same with Shanessa. Okay. For all those who are able to give me the answer, which is a composite number, can you give me the multipliers? Can you give me the multipliers of 117? Can you give me the multipliers of 117? 1 times 117, 3 times 39, and 9 times 13. Very good. Okay, so there are so many multipliers of 117. Okay, so if we are going to wrap this up, a prime number is a number wherein you can only divide the number by itself and 1. A composite number can have so many multipliers wherein we can use that one when we are going to get the product of the said number, right? Will be so many, or there will be numbers aside from 1 and the said number that we can be able to use in order for us to arrive to the said number. So that is what you call the composite number and the prime number. Okay, question, because it is already 8 p.m. Question. Do you have some questions, by the way?
No, miss.
No.
Please.
Okay, so does that mean that you understand our lesson? So we can proceed with another set of lesson next meeting? Okay, if that is the case, I might give you a short quiz. I'm not sure if I can be able to give you a short quiz, but I'm very sure that we will have to proceed with another lesson, right? Okay, so did you enjoy our class for today? Do you think it can be interesting to know regarding some lessons about mathematics, right? Did you enjoy our lesson? What do you
Yeah.
think?
Yes, miss.
Yes, according to Aaron, he was able to enjoy the lesson. Okay, so since it's already 8:01, I think some of you still have classes tomorrow. Thank you very much once again for attending our class for today. See you again on Monday. Yes, our class, by the way, will be Mondays and Tuesdays. I mean Tuesdays and Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Indonesian time. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you very much again for coming. See you again on Tuesday. Paalam. Thank you
Bye.
again
Thank
for
you,
coming
miss.
again.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
miss.
Bye, miss.
Yes,
Bye.
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 Bye, everyone.